'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse.
You're doing a fine job.
Thank you.
You need the step stool ladder thingy?
Not yet, but I will.
So this is the third year for the tree.
Yep.
Okay, I'm thinking it's the second year.
No, we did it the first year when Lucius was here.
Did you?
And the outside, he loved it.
Okay.
He was so happy.
Mhm.